Find the exact value of the expression cosine inverse of cosine of negative pi over 5. Since the denominator is 5, this is not a nice number on the unit circle. However, we will be able to find the exact value of this composite of function. First, whatever the inverse is, we would let it equal to t and rewrite it. What this statement says is that cosine inverse of an expression equals t. If we have cosine inverse of x equals t, then we would simply rewrite it as cosine of t equals x. But in this case, x is the expression cosine of negative pi over 5. Rewrite this, we have cosine of t equals x, but x is cosine of negative pi over 5. This statement just simply means that we're going to find t, where t is in the first and the second quadrant. T is a number between 0 and pi, such that cosine of negative pi over 5 equal to cosine of t. Negative pi over 5 is in the fourth quadrant, going clockwise. This is t equals negative pi over 5. Remember that on the unit circle, there are infinitely many t where cosine of t is the same x coordinate. Since this is the x coordinate, we're going to draw a vertical line. The x coordinate of this point, whatever it is cosine of negative pi over 5. What are the t's that would give us the same x coordinate? There is one up here. And the terminal point at this location is in the first quadrant, which is in the restricted domain. The t that we're looking for is in the first quadrant. By symmetry, we see that the t has to be positive pi over 5. Another way to look at this problem is that after we rewrite it, we have cosine of t equals cosine of negative pi over 5. But cosine is an even function, and so we can write this as the left hand side is cosine of t and the right hand side is cosine of pi over 5. If the inverse exists, it has to be 1 to 1, and so the left hand side is cosine of t, the right hand side is cosine of pi over 5. For the two values to be the same, what must be true is that t has to be pi over 5. We conclude that cosine inverse of cosine of negative pi over 5 equals pi over 5.